Listen, the reason is because we're not here to impersonate Led Zeppelin, but we're fans just like each and every one of you guys, man. We love this music. We grew up with it, we grew up loving it as it was in those amazing records with all the extra keyboard and vocal and guitar overdubs, and you really can't make that happen with just 4 people. So our show is designed so you guys can come out and play air guitar and air drum and sing along with me all night to the greatest rock music ever made. That's the point of our show. And to further illustrate that point,